We have all converted our data set into tables before for the benefit of having always visible header, banded rows and formatting, sorting and filtering, calculating table data with total rows, but sometimes you want all the spiffy features minus the table formatting. Maybe because you like your formatted table way better than Microsoft. Well, this is how you can carve out the formatting portion while keeping the cool table features. Let's start off by converting our dataset into a table. Place your cursor anywhere in your dataset. Press Ctrl A to select the whole dataset. Ctrl T to open Create Table pop-up here. I'm going to leave a check on my table has header because it does, and click OK. Now the dataset has been converted into table here. Now to remove the format, you go to table style, do a pull down here, and do clear. You'll clear the formatting from your dataset table here. And to remove the filter, all you have to do is press Ctrl Shift L on your keyboard and the filtering is gone. Now your table looks exactly like your original dataset, except that this is actually a table.